Want to stream without the headache of buffering? Here's your ultimate solution. First, download and install Stremio from stremio.com, then log in or create a free account. Got it? Cool. Next, head to real-debrid.com, sign up, choose a subscription plan, and grab your API key from the My Account section. Easy, right? Let's go on. Now let's link them up. Open your web browser and search Torrentio Configure. Enable all providers, sort by quality, and select Real Debrid as your Debrid provider. Paste that API key and click Install. Boom. Restart Stremio if needed. Search for your fave movie or show and look for links labeled with RD+. Select one and get ready for buffer-free, high-quality streaming bliss. Remember, a stable, fast internet connection is key. Keep Stremio and add-ons updated and clear your cache regularly. For extra privacy, consider using a VPN. Enjoy your streaming. Say goodbye to buffering and hello to endless entertainment.